This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is February 10th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review, where I review the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation. If I even talk about different numbers and stuff, because we all know trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Look out later. I'm actually going to do a video on actually trading, using options to trade that all-time high on the SPY. That's enough of that. Let's move on to these quarterly charts and monthly charts and weekly chart on the NASDAQ 100. First of all, again, we've made all-time highs again. We made a new high. We keep making new highs every week. But let's zoom on in here and take a closer look at everything and see what we see. Let me do it always. This is the first one. Let me do this. Let me minimize that. Let me minimize that. And let me zoom this on over. Always that first video. I think it's about right there where it's supposed to be. And let me maximize this. Maximize. All right, on this quarterly chart, going higher and higher and higher. Like I say, I was looking for us to go at least to this level right here, and we're not there yet. And this is on the big picture. This is the yearly picture. So again, if you're one of those long-term investors, all you're doing is every once a month, you're looking at it, or once a quarter, you're looking at your account. Well, it's still going up. Everything is still good. And yes, everything is still good and still going up. Still in a bull market right now. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this monthly chart. This monthly chart, we did cross that R1 level on these quarterly pivots. These are quarterly pivots. And wow, I didn't know if we was going to do that this first quarter like this, but we are there. And as strong as this market is, our next target is up here. Will we reach that? We've done it in the past. We can do it again. So again, you know, you're looking at 459, 460, all the way up there from where we're at here on the Qs on the monthly chart. We are beginning to get a little extended. When we start getting too extended, we do get a pullback back to this 10 moving average, and then we can continue up if we don't break it and continue to the downside. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, the big thing here, we are just continuously making new highs every week. We just barely made one last week. This week we went higher, and this market really kind of took off to even higher. And kind of didn't expect this as big a move as we did get, because we didn't have that strong of an earnings stuff out there. Just don't know what's going on. This is just money piling into the market here the first part of the year, and still piling in. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily chart and see what we see there, and wrap this on up on the daily chart. We made that high again on Friday, with something I've been noticing Friday. And if you go back here, this is probably Friday. You got to be careful. Be careful with what's happening here. I don't want to say too much, but there's a pattern beginning to emerge here in this market. But we are continuing making higher and higher every week. And again, we had a piercing pattern. You right side traders, you people from Right Side Trading, and all you guys, you've seen this pattern. You saw your confirmation. You saw a close above this level. You should have known this was the time to go. And that's it. That's all I really want to share on this on the NASDAQ 100. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.